Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to share CapCut project with another person. So we're going to click on our CapCut app, and here in our CapCut app we're going to select a project. So here we're going to be using this project here, and then at the right of this project you have the three dots and we're going to tap on it. So the first thing we need to do is to upload it to Space. So we're going to tap on Upload to Space. And then you have the option here. It's going to ask you if you want to upload it to your space. It's important that first of all, before you're able to share with another person or upload it to your space, so in the CapCut app, you're going to first of all make sure that you have your account with CapCut. In order to do that, at the top left corner, you're going to tap on this icon that looks like a person. And as you can see, there is a registered user on this CapCut and with a CapCut ID. So you need to have a registered CapCut ID on CapCut. After doing that, you could go to the project and we're going to be selecting the second project here. And we're going to look at the three dots and we're going to tap on it. And then we have the option to upload to Space. So we're going to tap on Upload to Space. And then it's going to ask you for a confirmation, which we're going to say upload with the blue button here. And then if you look closely, you're going to see over here, the space icon is animated, which means that it's currently uploading a project. So to follow through with that, you're going to tap on it. But before you do that, you're going to see at the top right corner of this project, the cloud icon. So this shows that the upload is already done. It also shows with the first project here that the icon is in the space. So we're going to go to Space now by tapping on Space. And here in Space, we have Project, we have Media, and Trash. So we're going to select Project because that's what we're trying to share. And then here in Project, we can see two projects that we have. And here we want to select the first project, which has art. So we're going to delete this one. Now we have just this video in our space. The next thing we need to do is to go to the top right corner. Here we have two icons and we're going to click on the person icon. And then when we tap on it, we're going to see the invite option. Here you could send it on Instagram, on WhatsApp, or any other option you might like. So we're simply going to copy the link. And now we have the link copied. You're going to paste it on the platform of the person you would like to share this project with. It's important to note that you can share this project with up to 3 people. So we need to make sure that the person we're sharing with also needs to have a CapCut ID. After that, that person will be able to access the project on the web version of CapCut. So this is how to share CapCut project with another person.